Hey guys, my name is Chassie from Lashell's Decor, and today I'll be teaching you how to do a lotus flower napkin.
Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is starch both sides of the napkin and iron it flat. But before you fold, make sure the seam side is up. Fold all corners in, like so. And then iron all corners. And then you want to make sure to flip over the napkin, making sure everything's tucked under. And then fold your four corners again. And once you fold those, make sure you iron each of these sections. Then you want to put it like this. And then you want to grab these square sections under and pull it over. And then just put a piece in the center, and there is your lotus flower. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time with a new creation.